Mastering the clock. Understanding, time's almost up. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, time's almost up. It's a phrase you might hear in everyday conversations, movies, or even during exams. By the end of this video, you'll not only grasp what it means but also know how to use it in various contexts. So, let's get the clock ticking and start learning. Time's almost up might seem straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. It's a contraction of time is almost up, indicating that there is very little time left before something ends or a deadline arrives. It's often used to create a sense of urgency or to remind someone to speed up what they're doing. 1. In everyday life, imagine you're playing a game and the allocated time is about to end. Someone might shout, "Hurry up! Time's almost up," to urge players to make their final moves. 2. In professional settings, during meetings or presentations with strict time limits, a moderator might use this phrase to signal speakers to conclude their points, as in, "Please wrap up your thoughts. Time's almost up." 3. In academic exams, in an examination hall, invigilators use this phrase to warn students that the exam duration is nearly over, prompting them to finalize their answers quickly. When someone tells you that time's almost up, your response should match the situation. You could 1. Acknowledge and hasten your actions. If you're trying to complete a task, e.g., "Got it, I'm finishing up now." 2. Ask for clarity if you're unsure about the remaining time or next steps, e.g., "How many minutes do we have left?" 3. Signal understanding and readiness to conclude an activity or discussion, e.g., "Thanks for the heads up, I'm wrapping up." Now that you understand what "time's almost up" means and how to use it, you're better equipped to handle situations with time constraints. Remember, this phrase is a nifty tool in your English language kit, helping you navigate social, professional, and academic settings with ease. We hope this video has been informative and added a valuable expression to your vocabulary. Keep practicing, and remember, every second counts in mastering a new language.